A for apple. Apple means save. A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means gend. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means billy. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for hen. Hen means murgi. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means sher. L for lion. Lion means sher. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. Orange means santra. O for orange. Orange means santra. P for peacock. Peacock means more. P for peacock. Peacock means more. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rose. Rose means gulab. R for rose. Rose means gulab. S for sheep. Sheep means jahaj. S for sheep. Sheep means jahaj. T for telephone. Telephone means telephone. T for telephone. Telephone means telephone. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for van. Van means gaadi. V for van. Van means gaadi. W for watch. Watch means gadi. W for watch. Watch means gadi. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y for yak. Yak means suragai. Y for yak. Yak means suragai. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.